Welcome back, Fun Fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, joined by my beautiful wife tonight,
Virginia.
And we're back here at the Magic Kingdom on a Friday night to see if on a Friday night, are they doing anything right now with Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So that's what we're going to see. I don't know what else we're going to get up to, but we'll at least see that. So come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun! All of the cool 50th and 100th anniversary stuff has been removed. It's just flowers, pretty flowers. It is sunset. The monorail is going by. It's a beautiful night here at the Magic Kingdom. Heading on into the most magical place on Earth. As opposed to the happiest place on Earth, which is over at Disneyland, right? Gotta keep that straight and in line. All right, we're coming up Frontierland, coming up on Splash Mountain. I'm gonna reverse the camera. It does look like, and I've never seen this on a Friday night before, which means they're really getting close. They're actually testing the ride on a Friday night. Very cool. So let's check that out. So the logs are definitely coming down. The whole ride looks like it's operating. At least from this point of view, this perspective. And let's go see what's going on at the mountain itself. At the mountain in Louisiana, in the Bayou. There's lots of mountains. Okay, there's one mountain, and it's in the Bayou here at the Magic Kingdom. Because that's how we do. It is a beautiful night. Drew the Disney Dude, shout out to you. His channel's awesome. Please check it out. You probably already have.
After my documentation of this one, probably.
Yeah. Well, we got some Imagineers on board. Some riders riding. And it's Friday night. So this is the most that I've ever seen being done on a Friday night, which means that they are really, really getting close. Let's see if we can get him to wave. Woohoo! The one thing that's cool about this is, like, whether you're really missing Splash Mountain or not, or you're totally cool with this opening, there's a lot of excitement because it's a ride opening, right? So I appreciate that about it, you know? Very, very cool. Well, howdy, howdy, more riders. So the mist that was only blue before is coming out in multiple colors now. So they put a new lighting package in there since I was here last. That is definitely an update. Okay, blue is the way it was before, like right now, but now it's going green, purple, pink, and it's going through the colors pretty fast. So clearly something is supposed to be happening right there at that point. That is quite interesting. So Drew and I were just talking, and it's like, come on guys, remove the scrim. I want to see what's back there. And from this point of view and observation, it does absolutely look like even the splash is getting a little bit bigger. So I think they've got more water running through it. I know part of the testing's got to be, hey, how much splash are we getting at the bottom there? It's a beautiful night here on the Bayou as we look up at that single mountain that grew out of these Louisiana flat swamp bayou hills. Alright, so I've been timing these drops. It looks like a log is dropping about every 20 seconds. So that can give you an idea for the capacity of the ride. Each one of these logs holds up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 passengers, 8 guests. So 8 guests every 20 seconds. Which means that you're getting 8, 16, 24 guests a minute. 24 guests a minute, that's basically 100 guests every 4 minutes. So the ride's got pretty good capacity. So we have passengers every now and again, but it's not every log yet. Obviously, these are people working on the ride who get the opportunity to test it. So as you can see, riders on board, the logs are going, the lights are changing. They're probably just putting, I think, final touches on the inside of the ride. It's fairly clear. There's a lot going on that I didn't see even the last time I was here. So they're getting very, very, very close. As I'm looking at that mist on the inside with the bottle hanging down and the very dark purple, darkish lights, I'm getting a very haunted mansion vibe coming from it. It's kind of funny. Now, granted, you know, that was the scariest part of the ride before, right? You know, when you're chasing Brown Rabbit, or Fox is chasing Brown Rabbit and right off the side of the hill. I don't know what it's going to be now, but definitely getting that kind of a haunted mansion-esque vibe from this.
Shh! Don't tell anybody. I'm peeking through the scrim.
So today was a cruddy day of storms, followed by a very, very beautiful night, which happens in the spring here in Florida. It's hot though, super hot and humid. I don't know if it's quite dark enough to really make this out, but I'm finally seeing the representation of fireflies, which I've been waiting for this entire time. I'm like, I would like to see more of them. You can kind of see them twinkling there. And in this tree. And as it's getting later here, you're seeing that lighting package starting to pop with a lot more colors than just the purple that it was before. So that is also at least an improvement. So as they are getting closer, I'm seeing some improvements, and I appreciate that. Here we can see the fireflies going. Mostly just on this one tree. I hope we see more on the mountain. I realized that I haven't really given you guys any evening shots of Frontierland. This is a Frontierland station. And I haven't had haven't really given you all yet any evening shots from this side of Splash. Old Chickabin Hill up there, and then you can see Tiana's water tower, and the Critter Co-op, and the lighting package down here, which I imagine looks very much the same as it used to back during the Splash days. So now I'm standing all the way by the Frontierland station. But if you listen closely, you can actually hear the music coming from the attraction down in New Orleans from the movie. So they got it turned up pretty loud right now. I feel like some of these signs, like the Celebrate Mardi Gras season signs, are new. Maybe I'm wrong. I'll have to check my other videos.
Let's do it.
Let's see. I wonder what they're. This was a play area before. For the children, so I'm kind of curious as to what they're going to do on the other side of this wall. All right, so from this side, you probably can't hear it in the video, but I can hear it very clearly that walking into the attraction from this side, you can hear the song Almost There playing. So on this side of the attraction, it's the song Almost There, and on the other side of the attraction, at least right now from what I'm hearing, is Down in New Orleans. We are looking at a very bewitched frog. Or perhaps it is a prince. Or a princess. I can't tell you. I don't know. All I can tell you is that it's mucus. Because that's what they say in the movie.
Peeking through the Scrim again at the front entrance. Let's see what we can see.
The lights on this side of Tiana's Bayou Adventure are very bright. It's funny because just from like, I'm not like what I see versus what I see on the screen, like what I see in real life versus what I see on the screen are kind of different. And as I'm looking on the screen, it looks like a volcano. I don't know why, but like that's just it's just the way it's lit, and you know, just kind of has that volcanic type of look. Like it looks much further away on the screen than it does in real life, and it looks further away and bigger. So from down here, it kind of looks like a forced perspective giant volcano, which is weird.
Definitely hearing the music coming from the inside of the attraction over here.
It's gotten a little darker, but it's still not quite pitch black yet, or night, all night yet. But this is what the area looks like at dusk when you're coming off the train over here by the Critter Co-op. I bet that frog was in there on that little spindle earlier today. I'm looking for more Firefly action. I kind of see it with my eyes. I'm not seeing it on the video as well.
Oh, that is so cool. Okay.
I believe this is the first time I'm actually seeing Imagineers ride this at night in the dark. From here, this perspective, we get a really good overview of some of the changes in the lighting that I've seen since the last time I was here.
There's the Fireflies right there. Lightning bugs. We call them lightning bugs in Missouri.
There's more blue and more pink, subtle. There's orange. There's it's more than just the purple that I saw the last time at night.
Now, my wife's vlog is going to be in Spanish on her channel, so make sure you check that one out too. I'll link it below when she gets it up. And what's the name of your channel?
Virginia Bradley, Fitness, Maquillaje y Aventuras.
Fitness, Maquillaje y Aventuras. Baby, look, they got the Fireflies now.
Yeah, I looked that. It's so beautiful.
All right, the log's about to come. Then it's going to drop. then there's something behind it. I can't quite make out what that is that lights up, and I'm very curious as to what that is. Guess I'll know in a few weeks. I don't get quite as clear a picture as I want when it gets this dark and it's humid. But you can see that they are still doing late night testing, and even saw some riders on after dark. So it is still going on. What is new tonight that I've seen that is definitely new is the mist at the top of the mountain is not just blue, but it is changing color. There's some structure in the lower right opening that lights up after the log comes out. I've seen fireflies now, which is I've been asking for. I'm like, how do they have this and not have fireflies? Okay, they have fireflies now, at least some. I'd be okay with seeing more actually myself. I know they're trying to make it kind of look. You know, I'd be okay with more fireflies. But at least they have them. I see them twinkling right now, and that's cool. I'm glad I'm finally seeing those. Maybe one of the last things that turned on. So definitely some new things happening since Monday. I was just here on Monday, so I just did an update on, came out on Wednesday. Hopefully you're seeing this on Saturday, which is tomorrow, which means I got a lot of work ahead of me tonight. But thank you so much for coming in and checking out the quick update tonight on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, Firefly Mountain. Now we'll call it that for tonight. Again, I will try and get another one of these out, another update, and see if there's anything new on Monday or Tuesday night. I will be here next. And who knows, there might be some new stuff. There might be some more riders. We'll see what's going on then. Thanks for keeping up with it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click the notifications bell, because when you click that notifications bell and you click it, you stick it to the algorithm. Thank you so much. Make sure you share this out on all your social medias. And check out all the rest of the vlogs on the channel. A lot of other good Disney and other Universal Orlando SeaWorld vlogs. Thank you so much, and we will see ya real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao. Thanks for coming in. Bye.